There is. Is there? Is there? There isn't. There's not. There is not. There are. There are. Are there? Are there? There aren't. There are not. Is there a lot of traffic? Is there lots of traffic? No, there isn't. No, there's not. There isn't a lot of traffic. There's not a lot of traffic. Yes, there is a lot of traffic. Yes, there's a lot of traffic. Are there a lot of cars? Are there a lot of cars? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There are a lot of cars. There are a lot of cars. No, there aren't. No, there are not. There aren't a lot of cars. There are not many cars. Is there a gas station close to here? Is there a gas station near here? No, there isn't a gas station close to here. No, there's not a gas station near here. Yes, there is a gas station close to here. Yes, there's a gas station near here. Are there gas stations close to here? Are there gas stations close to here? Yes, there are gas stations close to here. Yes, there are gas stations near here. No, there aren't any gas stations close to here. No, there aren't any gas stations close to here. No, there are not any gas stations near here. Is there a bus stop in the neighborhood? Is there a bus stop in the neighborhood? Yes, there is a bus stop in the neighborhood. Yes, there's a bus stop in the neighborhood. No, there isn't a bus stop in the neighborhood. No, there's not a bus stop in the neighborhood. Are there any bus stops in this neighborhood? Are there any bus stops in this neighborhood? Yes, there are some bus stops in the neighborhood. Yes, there are some bus stops in the neighborhood. No, there aren't any bus stops in the neighborhood. No, there are not any bus stops in the neighborhood. Is there a hospital in this city? Is there a hospital in this city? Yes, there is a hospital in this city. Yes, there's a hospital in this city.
No, there's not a hospital in this city. No, there isn't a hospital in this city.
Are there any hospitals in this city? Are there any hospitals in this city?
Yes, there are some hospitals in this city.
Yes, there are some hospitals in this city.
No, there aren't any hospitals in this city. No, there are not any hospitals in this city. Is there a park in the neighborhood? Is there a park in the neighborhood? Yes, there is a park in the neighborhood. Yes, there's a park in the neighborhood. No, there isn't a park in the neighborhood. No, there's not a park in the neighborhood. Are there any parks in this neighborhood? Are there any parks in this neighborhood? Yes, there are some parks in the neighborhood. Yes, there are some parks in the neighborhood. No, there aren't any parks in the neighborhood. No, there are not any parks in the neighborhood. Is there a place to park? Is there a place to park? Yes, there is a place. Yes, there's a place. There is a place to park. There's a place to park. There isn't a place to park. There's not a place to park. There aren't any places to park. There are not any places to park. Is there a store close to here? Is there a store near here? Yes, there is a store close to here. Yes, there's a store close to here. No, there isn't a store close to here. No, there's not a store near here. Is there milk in the fridge? Is there milk in the refrigerator? Yes, there is milk. Yes, there's milk. How much milk is there? How much milk is there? There is a gallon of milk. There's a gallon of milk. Are there bananas in the fridge? Are there bananas in the refrigerator? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Is there ice cream in the fridge? Is there ice cream in the refrigerator? Yes, there is ice cream. Yes, there's ice cream. How much ice cream is there? How much ice cream is there? There is 1 gallon of ice cream. There's 1 gallon of ice cream. Are there cookies in the fridge? Are there cookies in the refrigerator? Yes, there are cookies. Yes, there are cookies. How many cookies are there? How many cookies are there? There are 6 cookies. There are 6 cookies. Is there snow outside? Is there snow outside? Yes, there is snow outside. Yes, there's snow outside. Is there rain outside? Is there rain outside? Yes, there is rain outside. Yes, there's rain outside. How many minutes are there in an hour? How many minutes are there in an hour? There are 60 minutes in an hour. There are 60 minutes in an hour. How many seconds are there in a minute? How many seconds are there in a minute? There are 60 seconds in a minute. There are 60 seconds in a minute. How many months are there in a year? How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. How many inches are there in a foot? How many inches are there in a foot? There are 12 inches in a foot. There are 12 inches in a foot. There was. There was. There were. There were. There wasn't. There was not. There weren't. There were not. Was there? Was there? Were there? Were there? Was there a lot of traffic? Was there lots of traffic? No, there wasn't. No, there was not. There wasn't a lot of traffic. There was not a lot of traffic.
Yes, there was a lot of traffic.
Yes, there was a lot of traffic.
Were there a lot of cars? Were there a lot of cars? Yes, there were. Yes, there were. There were a lot of cars. There were a lot of cars. No, there weren't. No, there were not. There weren't a lot of cars. There were not many cars. Was there snow outside? Was there snow outside? Yes, there was snow outside. Yes, there was snow outside. Was there rain outside? Was there rain outside? Yes, there was rain outside. Yes, there was rain outside. Was there a party? Was there a party? No, there wasn't a party. No, there was not a party. No, there was no party. Yes, there was a party. Yes, there was. Yes, there was. There was a party at my house. What time was there a party? What time was there a party? There was a party at 8 in the evening. There was a party at 8 o'clock in the evening. Was there a lot of food? Was there a lot of food? No, there wasn't a lot of food. No, there was not a lot of food. Yes, there was a lot of food. Yes, there was a lot of food. Were there a lot of tacos? Were there a lot of tacos? No, there weren't a lot of tacos. No, there were not lots of tacos. How many tacos were there? How many tacos were there? There were 3 tacos. There were 3 tacos. Was there good music? Was there good music? Yes, there was good music. Yes, there was good music. No, there wasn't good music. No, there was not good music. No, there was no good music. Were there a lot of women? Were there a lot of women? No, there weren't a lot of women. How many women were there? How many women were there? How many women were there at the party? There were 3 women. There were 3 women. There were 3 women at the party. Were there a lot of men? Were there a lot of men? No, there weren't a lot of men. No, there weren't a lot of men. How many men were there? How many men were there at the party? There were 2 men. There were 2 men. There were 2 men at the party. Was there a graduation? Was there a graduation? Yes, there was. Yes, there was. There was a graduation. There was a graduation. There is going to be. There's going to be. There are going to be. There's not going to be. There isn't going to be. There aren't going to be. There are not going to be. Is there going to be? Are there going to be? Is there going to be a lot of traffic? Is there going to be lots of traffic? No, there's not going to be. No, there isn't going to be. There's not going to be a lot of traffic. There isn't going to be a lot of traffic. Yes, there's going to be a lot of traffic. Yes, there is going to be a lot of traffic. Are there going to be a lot of cars? Are there going to be a lot of cars? Yes, there are going to be. Yes, there are going to be. There are going to be a lot of cars. There are going to be a lot of cars. No, there aren't going to be. No, there are not going to be. There aren't going to be a lot of cars. There are not going to be many cars. There are not going to be many cars. Is there going to be snow outside? Is there going to be snow outside? Yes, there's going to be snow outside. Yes, there is going to be snow outside. Is there going to be rain outside? Is there going to be rain outside? Yes, there's going to be rain outside. Yes, there is going to be rain outside. Is there going to be a party? Is there going to be a party? No, there's not going to be a party. No, there isn't going to be a party. Yes, there's going to be a party. Yes, there's going to be a party. Yes, there's going to be. Yes, there is going to be. Where is there going to be a party? Where's there going to be a party? There's going to be a party at my house. There is going to be a party at my house. What time is there going to be a party? What time is there going to be a party? There's going to be a party at 8 in the evening. There's going to be a party at 8 in the evening. Is there going to be a lot of food? Is there going to be a lot of food? No, there's not going to be a lot of food. No, there is not going to be a lot of food. Yes, there's going to be a lot of food. Yes, there is going to be a lot of food. Are there going to be a lot of tacos? No, there aren't going to be a lot of tacos. No, there are not going to be lots of tacos. How many tacos are there going to be? How many tacos are there going to be? There are going to be 5 tacos. There are going to be 5 tacos. Is there going to be good music? Is there going to be good music? Yes, there's going to be good music. Yes, there's going to be good music. No, there's not going to be good music. No, there isn't going to be good music. Are there going to be a lot of women? Are there going to be a lot of women? No, there aren't going to be a lot of women. No, there are not going to be a lot of women. How many women are there going to be? How many women are there going to be? How many women are there going to be at the party? How many women are there going to be at the party? There are going to be 3 women. There are going to be 3 women. There are going to be 3 women at the party. There are going to be 3 women at the party.
Are there going to be a lot of men? Are there going to be a lot of men? No, there aren't going to be a lot of men. How many men are there going to be? How many men are there going to be? How many men are there going to be at the party? How many men are there going to be at the party? There are going to be 2 men. There are going to be 2 men. There are going to be 2 men at the party. There are going to be 2 men at the party. Yeah!
Is there going to be a graduation? Is there going to be a graduation? Yes, there's going to be. Yes, there is going to be. There's going to be a graduation. There is going to be a graduation. There will be. There'll be. There will not be. There won't be. Will there be? Will there be? Will there be a lot of traffic? Will there be lots of traffic? No, there won't be. No, there will not be. There won't be a lot of traffic. There will not be a lot of traffic. There won't 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 be a lot of Yes, there will be a lot of traffic. Yes, there'll be a lot of traffic. Will there be a lot of cars? Will there be a lot of cars? Yes, there will be. Yes, there'll be. There will be a lot of cars. There'll be a lot of cars. No, there won't be. No, there will not be. There won't be a lot of cars. There will not be many cars. Will there be snow outside? Will there be snow outside? Yes, there will be snow outside. Yes, there'll be snow outside. Will there be rain outside? Will there be rain outside? Yes, there will be rain outside. Yes, there'll be rain outside. Will there be a party? Will there be a party? No, there won't be a party. No, there will not be a party. No, there will be no party. Yes, there will be a party. Yes, there'll be a party. Yes, there will be. Where will there be a party? Where will there be a party? There will be a party at my house. There'll be a party at my house. What time will there be a party? There will be a party at 8 in the evening. There'll be a party at 8 o'clock in the evening. Will there be a lot of food? No, there won't be a lot of food. No, there will not be a lot of food. Yes, there will be a lot of food. Yes, there'll be a lot of food. Will there be a lot of tacos? Will there be a lot of tacos? No, there won't be a lot of tacos. No, there will not be lots of tacos. How many tacos will there be? How many tacos will there be? There will be 5 tacos. There'll be 5 tacos. Will there be good music? Will there be good music? Yes, there will be good music. Yes, there'll be good music. No, there won't be good music. No, there will not be good music. No, there will be no good music. Will there be a lot of women? Will there be a lot of women? No, there won't be a lot of women. No, there will not be a lot of women. How many women will there be? How many women will there be? How many women will there be at the party? There will be 3 women. There'll be 3 women. There will be 3 women at the party. There'll be 3 women at the party.
Will there be a lot of men? No, there won't be a lot of men. No, there will not be a lot of men. How many men will there be? How many men will there be? How many men will there be at the party? How many men will there be at the party? There will be 2 men. There'll be 2 men. There will be 2 men at the party. Woohoo!
Will there be a graduation? Will there be a graduation? Yes, there will be. Yes, there will be. There will be a graduation. There'll be a graduation. There has been. There's been. There have been. There've been. There hasn't been. There has not been. There haven't been. There have not been. Has there been? Has there been? Have there been? Have there been? Has there been a lot of traffic? Has there been lots of traffic? No, there has not been. No, there hasn't been. There has not been a lot of traffic. There hasn't been a lot of traffic. Yes, there's been a lot of traffic. Yes, there has been a lot of traffic. Have there been a lot of cars? Have there been a lot of cars? Yes, there have been. Yes, there've been. There have been a lot of cars. There've been a lot of cars. No, there haven't been. No, there have not been. There haven't been a lot of cars. There have not been a lot of cars. Has there been snow outside? Has there been snow outside? Yes, there's been snow outside. Yes, there has been snow outside. Has there been rain outside? Has there been rain outside? Yes, there's been rain outside. Yes, there has been rain outside. There should be. There should be. There shouldn't be. There should not be. There would be. There would be. There wouldn't be. There would not be. There can be. There can be. There can't be. There can't be. There could be. There could be. There couldn't be. There could not be. There needs to be. There needs to be. There doesn't need to be. There doesn't need to be. There has to be. There must be. There doesn't have to be. There doesn't have to be. There might be. There may be. There might not be. There may not be.